I will be presenting the Flask API-based app that I have created for visual question answering based on a custom model that I had separately created and trained on MS Coco dataset. First, I will click on Choose File in order to upload the image. Next, I'll post my question. And I click on Submit button. Now what happens in the background is that the app will pick the image and the question and send it to the model. The model will make its predictions and then switch over to the next HTML page. In this last HTML page, we'll see the image, the question, and the top 5 answers predicted by the model along with their respective probabilities. Before looking at the model predictions, first let's have a look at the image itself. So if you see, there are different elements in this image. There is a plate with cake in it. There are spoons. There's a bag. There's a book. There are different tables, stone walls. But in response to the question, which is there coffee in the mug? If you see, all the answers seem logical. The most probable answer being yes. The other answers also seem very logical. For example, there's tea, there's coffee, etc. Similarly, I had posted some other questions and images. In this particular image, we see 2 giraffes. In response to the question, how many giraffes do you see in this image? If you see, the answers are all numericals. The most probable answer being 2 with an astounding 75% probability. Similarly, in response to another image, with the question posted as what is the zebra doing, the answers all are again very related to the question. The most probable answers being eating and standing. The other answers are also in fact verbs, which is logically a correct answer to this question, what is the zebra doing? Now let's have a look at the code behind the app itself. There are 2 parts in the code. The first one being the get method, wherein what we do is we render this image with this HTML page, which is index.html. Let's get into the HTML page code itself. We see here that there is a form wherein the user is asked to upload the photo or the file and post the question, and then there is a submit button. Once the user clicks on the submit button, he's taken back to the app uses all these inputs from the form and sends it to in the post method. We can get the form responses. We get the question and the image. The image is first of all saved in the directory so that it can later be used and in fact shown in the next HTML page along with the predicted answers. So initially what we do is we load the pre-trained exception and SBOT models for image and text featurizations. So once we have the text featurization and the image featurization ready, we'll be loading the pre-trained custom model that I had trained for visual question answering purpose. The model will predict the answers. From these answers, we will pick the top 5 predicted labels. Thereafter, we'll render the next HTML page, which is result.html. To this page, we'll send the image, the path of the image where it was stored, the image predictions, the question. Now let's look at the result.html page, the code behind this page. So here what we are simply doing is we pick the question, the predicted answer, and the image, and we can show the answers and together with the question and the image in this final result.html page. Thank you.